What if custom orthotics didn't mean long turnaround times, heavy technician intervention, or unpredictable adjustment rates? What if you could move from digital file to patient-ready device in days, not weeks, without compromising clinical quality? At Mosaic, orthotics production doesn't depend on ongoing manual intervention. It's structured, controlled, and built to protect clinical priorities from the start. Mosaic brings together validated materials, purpose-built production platforms, and integrated workflows to ensure consistent, stable results, shifting the focus from managing machines to delivering exemplary care. With Stride Orthotic Studio, the path to a custom orthotic is simple. Clinicians capture digital scans using the tools they already trust. From there, Stride Orthotic Studio automatically prepares a stable, production-ready file. Clinical intent is preserved. Manufacturing variability is removed before production begins. No manual tuning, no technician recalibration. Comfort, durability, and biomechanical performance begin with the right material. Aero delivers patient-specific cushioning and controlled flexibility for pressure relief. Form provides rigid polypropylene class support to maintain corrective alignment over sustained wear. Each profile is engineered for predictable performance and clean finishing, so quality doesn't depend on post-processing correction. It starts at the material level. Parts are automatically prepared and positioned for production, ensuring accurate and repeatable results. Jobs move directly into the system, where they're scheduled and tracked. Setup takes minutes, and production continues without constant supervision. Throughput increases, while operational costs remain controlled. Once production begins, devices move through Element or Array. Element supports high-performance desktop production. Array enables automated, scalable orthotics manufacturing. Jobs are pre-matched to materials and hardware, ensuring stable adhesion and reliable performance from the first layer onward. As productivity increases, workflow complexity does not. Devices remain truly custom, delivered with superior clinical quality at scale. When production completes, orthotics release cleanly with defined edges and accurate geometry. Finishing is minimal, with only refinement rather than correction. This means fewer remakes, less hands-on labor, and more reliable turnaround timelines. Thickness, contour accuracy, and surface finish remain consistent across devices, so differences reflect the prescription, not the production process. Performance is engineered directly into the workflow, keeping adjustment rates low even as case volume increases. With Mosaic's end-to-end digital workflow, quality no longer depends on operator oversight. Fit is precise. Performance is controlled. Technicians can focus on care, not correction, and devices are delivered with the confidence providers expect. For labs and clinics, this changes what's possible, and patient demand can grow alongside smooth operations. Engineered for consistency, designed for scale, focused on patient outcomes. From file to finished device, this is modern orthotics manufacturing with Mosaic.